The Chameleon's colorful adventure. Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant forest teeming with life, there lived a curious and unique chameleon named Zephyr. Zephyr possessed the extraordinary ability to change colors at will, an ability that not only allowed Zephyr to blend seamlessly into any environment but also reflected the chameleon's emotions and thoughts. Intrigued by the beauty and diversity of the world beyond the familiar forest, Zephyr decided to embark on a colorful adventure. As Zephyr began the journey, the sun rose above the horizon, casting a golden hue over the forest floor. The air was filled with the sweet melodies of bird songs and the gentle rustling of leaves. Zephyr's excitement grew, causing the chameleon's scales to shimmer with vibrant shades of yellow and orange. When Zephyr stumbled upon a mysterious door carved into the side of a great oak tree. On the door, a riddle was inscribed: "Through the rainbow's colors blend, nature's mysteries you shall mend." Undeterred, Zephyr pondered the riddle for a moment before deciding to experiment with the chameleon's own colors. Carefully and deliberately, Zephyr changed colors one by one, passing through the hues of the rainbow, from red to violet. Upon reaching the final color, the door creaked open, revealing a hidden passage. Venturing into the passage, Zephyr discovered a mystical underground world inhabited by creatures of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Here, the creatures had the power to change their hues and shades, much like Zephyr. Among these fascinating beings, Zephyr met Ophelia, a wise and eloquent owl with feathers that glistened like 1,000 stars. Together, Zephyr and Ophelia ventured deeper into the hidden realm, marveling at the various forms of life and the stunning array of colors that existed in harmony. With each new encounter, Zephyr felt a sense of belonging and learned about the beauty of diversity and unity. As Zephyr and Ophelia continued their journey, they came across a group of mischievous pixies with gossamer wings and playful grins. The pixies challenged the duo to a game, with the prize being a piece of wisdom crucial to Zephyr's adventure. Intrigued, Zephyr and Ophelia accepted the challenge, determined to uncover the knowledge the pixies held. The game consisted of a series of riddles, each more challenging than the last. The first riddle demanded that Zephyr blend into the environment, shifting colors to match the flora and fauna of the hidden realm. With skill and precision, Zephyr altered the chameleon's colors, astonishing the pixies and progressing to the next stage. The second riddle required Zephyr and Ophelia to work together, combining their unique abilities to solve a puzzle. Ophelia, with the wisdom of the ages, guided Zephyr through a labyrinth of mirrors that reflected and distorted light. By shifting colors and patterns, Zephyr manipulated the light, revealing the hidden path that led them to victory. Triumphant, the duo returned to the waiting pixies, who reluctantly granted them the promised wisdom. The head pixie whispered in Zephyr's ear, sharing the secret to mastering the chameleon's color-changing abilities. True power lies within. Embrace your colors to begin. With newfound wisdom, Zephyr and Ophelia emerged from the underground world, eager to continue exploring the magical land. Their journey took them to the edge of a vast and desolate desert. Here, the harsh sun beat down, bleaching the landscape to an almost monochromatic palette. Undaunted, Zephyr and Ophelia pressed on, determined to uncover the secrets of this barren terrain. As they traversed the seemingly endless expanse of sand, Zephyr found it increasingly difficult to maintain a vibrant array of colors. The heat and desolation weighed heavily on the Chameleon, dulling Zephyr's hues to a muted, sandy beige. But Zephyr remembered the wisdom of the pixies and focused inward, discovering a hidden reservoir of strength and determination. Drawing on this inner power, Zephyr's scales began to shimmer once more, taking on the fiery hues of a desert sunset. Ophelia, awed by the display, encouraged Zephyr to continue the journey, promising that great wonders awaited them on the other side of the desert. With renewed vigor, Zephyr and Ophelia pressed onward, braving the fierce desert winds and scorching heat. As they crested the final dune, they were rewarded with a breathtaking sight. A lush oasis, filled with verdant greenery and sparkling pools of water, stood before them like a beacon of hope. As the duo approached the oasis, a magnificent and ancient tree towered above them, its branches adorned with vibrantly colored leaves that seemed to dance in the gentle breeze. At the base of the tree, a wise old tortoise named Xander greeted them with a warm smile. Xander, the guardian of the oasis, had watched Zephyr and Ophelia's journey from afar, and the tortoise was deeply impressed by their resilience and courage. Xander explained that the oasis was a place of healing and renewal, where creatures from all corners of the world could come together in harmony, celebrating the beauty of diversity. The tortoise offered Zephyr and Ophelia a place among the denizens of the oasis, encouraging them to share their unique talents and perspectives with the other inhabitants. Overwhelmed by the generous offer, Zephyr and Ophelia gratefully accepted, joining the thriving community of colorful creatures. Zephyr continued to master the art of color changing, dazzling the other creatures with magnificent displays that celebrated the breathtaking beauty of nature. Ophelia shared her wisdom and eloquence, becoming a respected teacher and mentor to the creatures that sought knowledge and enlightenment. As Zephyr and Ophelia flourished in the oasis, they knew that their adventure was far from over. They continued to explore the magical land, each new discovery adding another vivid hue to the tapestry of their lives. And through it all, they never forgot the wisdom and lessons they had learned, embracing the beauty of diversity and the power of unity. And so, as the sun set on the horizon, casting a warm and golden light over the oasis, Zephyr and Ophelia stood side by side, their hearts filled with gratitude and wonder, ready for whatever adventures lay ahead.